Where's the oil filter on this thing?
Oil filter?
On this Marcel Lago.
It's tucked in there.
Is it at the bottom? Is it hard?
On the left side.
That's it?
Yeah.
This is easy. What about the drain plug?
There's a bunch of them there.
So you have to open up more than one?
Yeah, like a portion. Yeah, it says dry some.
Nick, which one do you open?
There's a bunch of them there.
Because I see the rear differential.
It's four-wheel drive.
Okay, I see it on the side over here. Oh yeah, you got one right here, another one right there. And okay. So you got two of them. Is there more on the other side?
There's a sump right here. There's a sump right there.
Sump, okay.
Yeah,
so you have to drain that too?
Yeah, well, that's what contains all your oil.
So you have to open up the sump,
Yeah, it's a
open
drum
up
sump.
this. You have to open up both of them?
You gotta open all of them. Yeah.
So this is straightforward. I like that.